Assalamu alaikum. We've come here this evening again just for supper, inshallah, and to meet some of the brothers, inshallah. So this is the pool they told me about. Man, look at this. It's still relatively warm, man. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. It's relatively warm. Man, it's amazing. Looking good, man. This is the pool, you know. Earlier the guys were saying, why didn't you just jump in? But I'm in my clothes, man. Why didn't you just jump in? Could have jumped in, man. Wow, it looks deep, man. It's very deep. Ya Rabbi, Ya Kareem. Wow. Allahu Akbar. This is, mashallah, this is lovely. You know, it's a hot day, sweaty. So on, man. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Mashallah.
Issue with your microphone.
Bismillah.
1 second.
Did you see this pool? Have you seen how lovely it is?
Yeah, mashallah.
I need to jump.
That was crazy, man.